Okay, let's start with setup our environment. I'm just taking quite time. I don't know. Yesterday we were discussing this TP, and now okay. Node app, and we have to run here localhost. We have to we can see that we can generate this price card as well. Now what we have generated yesterday is that policy space. Okay, we have that refund page policy page, we have this cookie policy page, okay, all the things we have developed, and we have also designed the about page. I think yes, this is our about us, and this is proper. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to design the explore page. The explore, it has a search bar, and it has something like cards like YouTube, as we have in YouTube. For example, we have such cards like YouTube. Okay, we do anything like DSA, and we have like at home page of DSA. Okay, okay, so I guess we will use something kind of cards on the, these are the trending page, and we have the explore page. Okay, go for pricing, we can go for these two pricing. Okay, then we are going for any privacy policy, we can go from here. Here we have privacy policy, here we have refund policy, here we have cookie policy, and all kind of things. We have these cookies. Okay, accept all, reject all, or customize, we can customize it like it will open. We can reject all cookies. Okay, now what we are going to here, what we have to done today, our goal will be, our goal is to design the home page fully. Here we have home page, this kind of. Okay, when we go down, we should have this trending section, and we have this about section, and then we have this kind of, I have to remove this, I don't like this price section. So when we go to home page, okay, we have this, price card container, we have to remove this. Okay, now we have only remove this about, and open the CSS about home.css. Where is here it is. Just remove the stuff related to the price card. Price card start here. Okay, got it. We have this kind of status now. Now we have to do uh, hmm, 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 hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Like, we don't want this. I just want a YouTube kind of interface for cards that we have. Okay. And just we can read this. If I put something like DSA, then we got some thumbnail, and it's okay. This kind of structure I should want. I want okay. So I'm going to remove this home. I'm just making that explore page. Okay. There will be a search button. Oh, just create an explore. Okay. Okay. We have here localhost dot testing. It is home. Okay, go for Perplexity and go for Gemini. Select the cloud and create a explore page. HTML, CSS and JS naively, which shows all the cards, like YouTube home page. There we have do not include the navigation bar and footer, and just do not add the navigation and footer, and we want some cards like YouTube we have, and okay, yes, and design such responsive, and design this responsive as well. उसके बाद अपन को क्या फीचर चाहिए? There will be a search key. There will be a search key as we have in YouTube. Okay, this is for like blogs card, not video card. So design like at like just below, like one more thing, I want a category bar just below, category bar on top, just like YouTube. Okay, Now we will get something like, as we go for YouTube, we able to see this, we are able to see these cards. And okay, we have to just create an extra explore, that will be our explore dot css. And we have EJS. In views we do have an explore page, and in JS we do have a explore dot JS file. And we have to add our routes in, okay. When we got the explore, you just got explore, Control C. I'm not able to connect MongoDB, why I don't know. Okay, MongoDB connection error. We are full of internet. We will design this when we will begin our designing backend architecture. Then we will think, okay, we have this HTML file. Let us see what explore EJS, we have this, and style.css, we have to copy all things. Explore.css, here it is. Okay. Okay, it has a bigger file. So what we can download is download as file, and download as file. Now we have to do some explore. Okay, just we go to Finder and we have this download. We have this script.js index.html. Open with notes, we can say that notes. Okay, just rename this explore.ejs, explore.js, and explore.css. Now here remove this, and remove this. Now we have to put all these files in desktop project, and we have a project. Okay, here we have blog up, and these two files, CSS and this will go on public, and okay, it will go on CSS and this will go on JS. Here we have, it will go on views. Okay, I think we have got it. /explore. Okay, all technologies, programming, DSA, IML, development, card, productivity, search blocks, and this. Okay, just we have to connect our home explore.ej with css/explore.css, and we have to js/explore.js. Okay. Okay, we got the things. We got the exact things what we wanted to do. We have search blocks, technology, programming, web, app, design, DevOps, mobile app, career, productivity. Okay, exactly. We got exactly same things. Yes, we got it. We should make the background black. Okay, this is quite good. This is quite good. That is what we are expecting. अगर मैं इस चीज़ को खुद बनाता ना, सोचो मुझे उस दिन 1 घंटा लग गया था उन प्राइस कार्ड को टेम्पलेट से सेट करने में, ठीक है, और ये चीज़ इसने तुरंत बना दी। देख रहे हो, यू हैव टू डिजाइन जस्ट, आपको कुछ करना ही नहीं है इसमें, एवरीथिंग दे जस्ट डिजाइंड। ओके, this is quite good. I appreciate that Claude. It is best, like it is better than ChatGPT. Even ChatGPT, I think it is not able to do this kind of design. Okay. ओके, यहाँ पे मुझे ना थोड़ा कलर इसको मेक क्लासिकल कलर्स, मेक कलर, मेक classical color combination, like it should be present twice. YouTube is just for, and I just don't want to create exactly same. I just want to have something we have. Okay, it have designed the फंक्शनैलिटी। ओके, उसने सर्च फंक्शनैलिटी भी दिखा ली। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एम टाइप मशीन लर्निंग, आई हैड इट एंड इट इज़ रियल टाइम। ओके, इट इज़ रियल टाइम। गॉट इट। इट इज़ समथिंग ग्रेट, आई थिंक। What you have designed will be there in your storage, whatever you have designed, and whenever anything. Okay, we do have here, go for desktop, go for project, go for it. Made too easy to design the front end part. Like even 1 week ago I was thinking that designing front end is too critical, and this is just plain HTML, CSS, JS, and this is CSS. I have to go to public and CSS, replace that file, and okay, now let's use our fonts. We have explore.js, we do have explore.js. Where is explore.js? .js. Okay, it is getting the data from this JS, but when we are designing for, like when we connect the front end and back end part, we will get this data from that database, okay, or backend. Okay, now we have to design something in CSS, explore.css. Remove this body, I think remove the font family, it will be inherited by, okay, I think it is better now. the font family will be, when we explore that GSS, when we include the head, just include dot slash, what the command to include dot slash partial dot head. Okay, so I am at explore, okay, dot slash partials head, and it will, okay, it will get the font, and just we are getting the font as we have in YouTube. We have this, okay. It is going beyond the things, like it is going, you see, border 1 pixel, solid red, what is this we have to add here? Listen, when I am going to add when I am going to add the, okay, when I am going to add this it is quite responsive now, but when I am going to add that head part, it become, so there is something in head that is not working well. So I have to go to the head, and we have navigation, we have footer, I think there is a problem of search container, category bar, card, head.js, we have navigation, footer and main. Just go for navigation.css, header, header.main, Okay, it is quite responsive now. Okay, I have to body container. I have to give a body container, and in this explore.gss explore.ejs I have to give it in body container. So everything that thing is I have to do in body container. So we have a body container, div dot body container, and I'm going to place all the things here, and let us see if things are working or not. Okay, things are working perfectly fine now, and we can remove the okay, everything is working fine. And if we go to home page, then I think home page, oh, why testing? Okay, these things are not working because I have removed the home.js from here. So let us introduce. Okay, it is working fine, and if I go to explore, then it is also working, and it is quite responsive. We need not to make it responsive. Okay, we have all this. Okay, mobile dev, data science, DevOps, programming. Okay, programming, we do have all the card related to this. Okay, it's quite good. Okay, now we have to add the two things there. One is our navigation bar, so I have to include our navigation bar, that is nav. And second thing, I have to include the footer and scripts if I want to. Okay, here we have a search bar. Okay, so when we go for explore.js, we have a search container, like we do have a padding top, sorry, margin top 150 pixel. It should be around we just don't require these things, like if I am going to the search page. Okay, okay, what if this log will placed here and all the categories will remove and search and profile? What about that? Okay, I think it will be a better idea rather than using this. It will be okay, it will be better idea. Just add this navigation bar. Okay. I am just removing this explore.js. Like I have to create this search, I have to remove such search. So from the navigation, where I have a navigation, I have a views and we have a partials and we have navigation there. Here we have navigation and I just have to remove the search. Okay, where is search. Pricing, and there we have search. Just remove this search and let us see. We have only profile there. Okay, I don't know why profiling is not working. Let's go to home page and okay. When we are going to click this, and when we are going to click anywhere else, it should be okay. So navigation bar here, navigation menu, navigation toggle, you have to click add event, click show or hide menu. Navigation menu, nav bar menu. So nav bar menu क्या है? What is nav bar? I think it is nav bar menu. I don't want it. I just want to, when I just click on this profile and just I'm clicking anywhere else, I just have to, so in navigation CSS I just want show search bar and account, show only account, and here we have a category, and when I'm going for explore, just I have these things. We need just blog to be there and profile card to be there. So when I'm going to add this profile card, just can navigate there. Okay, no needs of issue. Okay, we need not to use this in explore.ejs. we need not to use that navigation bar. Okay, and for in explore.css, just part sticky. And okay, now what we have to do is what is this thing? Category bar. So कैटेगरी बार का अपन को करना पड़ेगा explore. When we are going for explore, we have a category bar. Where is category bar? Okay, position sticky. Okay, so let's create here. Just remove all the stuffs, and I have to do one thing in explore.js. in body container, not a body container, I have to in search wrapper. There is search container. We have to format the document first, and I have the search container here, and I have one, like as I do have in navigation.ejs, I have a this, so I have to just add this. What should I have? Div dot logo, and we have an A, that will be home, not home, block. Okay, I think this the search box is quite ये सर्च बॉक्स है ना, ये क्या है, सर्च कंटेनर, it is a search container. Okay, so we have to add this logo in the search container, and let me this is div, and this is another thing. So I have to make this display flags, so I can use this block here and search block here and the other thing there. So I need to make search container, a search container. Where is my search container? Search container, display flags, and flags direction will be row. Okay, now I have to add another, this is logo, and I have to add this is div container, this is this, and I have to container a div dot profile, and navigation, I had to, where is my profile things, and I have this navigation profile. Just put it here, and it is div, and it is div. Okay, I got it. I don't know why this block. Okay, I have to give the so I have to do the query. I have a container in which which have 3 child, which is division, and flag direction is row. I want that left and right child will take space according to their content space, like small, and middle one will take full space, remaining all, and it should in center. Your sentence is correct. Okay, we have this left, middle, right, alignment center. Flex is they take left from right, 0 0 auto, take the remaining space. Flex on display flex. Why here flex? Okay, what we have to do is फ्लैग सेंटर लेफ्ट और राइट को हमें फ्लैग 0 0 ऑटो करना पड़ेगा. ओके what is the idea of this? क्लास है nav bar logo. ओके वी हैव टू डिफाइन अ मेन क्लास जिसमें होगी डू नॉट गिव दिस क्लास, गिव इट इज आई डी नेविगेशन बार लोगो. Okay. Search wrapper. We have a search wrapper. There is a search wrapper. We have to do here. The flex will be 1. Okay, it is working fine. And when we have this, there should be margin that will 0 pixel, and we have kind of 2 pixel margin would be better so that they do not touch. Okay, as same we do have is profile. This profile is quite ये थोड़ा ये जो प्रोफाइल है ना, ये जो प्रोफाइल है what is the profile babe, here the profile. It should be a container just like okay navigation profile account. We have these things. Navigation profile, when I am going to navigation.css, okay, navigation.css, I have to find this particular thing, navigation profile, and here it is. that will be a division box. So I have to design this division according to our convenience. So navigation.css, okay, where we were, okay, everything is working perfectly fine. One thing is, when you see this blog and when you go for home, okay, home there is a navigation bar that is kind of this, and when we go for explore, अरे यार, it is quite big. I don't know why it is big, due to the margin na? Due to margin it is quite big, so we have to remove that margin. We have to remove this padding. So top bottom padding should be 5 pixel and left right padding should be 10 pixel. Okay, now it is quite responsive. Let us see. Okay, let us see what is the padding here. We will design the same. Header main we have a navigation bar main. It does have a I don't know, but it has certain kind of padding. This is a dot navigation bar, navigation logo, font size, class navigation bar. Let us see. Navigation bar logo. So I should go for explore.css, not explore.css, where I have logo. My logo is you can see the space. Header.main, it does have a width 100% still. It does have a space, guys. I have to see its layout. Padding is 48 pixel. Okay, so we can assign the same padding. Why I'm working so much? I just create a new. I just want this search wrapper. Just remove it from here, and I just want navigation bar logo. Just remove it from here. I just want this. I just want this search wrapper. So what about if we include the navigation bar here? Okay, include dot slash partials slash navigation. When we go for navigation, there is navigation.ejs, not this. Go for navigation.ejs. It will be in partials. We have this navigation.ejs. I do have. How to write if else condition now? How to write if else in navigation if page is different? We have to need the extra information for this. I just don't want. Okay, we can try this. Okay, for now we are going to try this. Go for navigation.js public. We have JavaScript and just go for and navigation bar for different pages. Just copy this code from here to here. If this is that, if page is equals to explore, if page equals to this explore, home, about, contact, class list dot add active. Window doesn't exist, document doesn't exist, location doesn't exist, then what is your case? Use express request, not window. In AGS, I have to make the I have to make the. So in navigation.egs, so I have to write some condition like I do have a where I was in explore.egs. There is a search button. I have to add this on that part. Remove this, remove this, remove this. Navigation.js. Okay. This is drop down container. Command X. If where is the if tag? If quite responsibility. Let me check my live stream. Everything is working fine. 0% frame drop. OBS is working fine today. So we have to write some contact pages like okay, current page is, if my, we will get this from, if navigation is in, okay, but we will get current page. Okay, so listen, current page, what is dot active? Why dot active? Color red, font weight plot. You can cast current page recommended. Let me check if current is equally to explore. Where is else block? If statement, अरे bro, where is else statement? I have to go here to check the else. Else blocking. If खत्म, if ये हो गया स्टार्ट, if if okay start, then I have to write the else. For else black I have to write this, and for if block I have to write this. Format the document, and now we have to configure our server. So here we have our main server. So when we are going to render this, so what I have the name, I have given the name to this is current, that will be current will be home, explore. Okay, current explore. Now just restart the server and node app. Okay, server is restarted. Then we are going for explore. If we are going for home, could not find the matching closing tag. Okay, I have to see the if else statement. Okay, it is working fine. Now I have to add explore.js. We have to add the navigation bar here. So okay, here it is working, and I think I have not include the scripts. I have included the scripts, still it is not working. Where is views and partials and script, home.js, navigation.js, I don't know. Okay, navigation.ejs, this should be working na, navigation profile. And when we have if condition, there is a search container, there is a search wrapper. Do we require this search container? Let me check few things. Okay, navigation main, and we have this search container. So when we are going for explore.js, explore.css, okay, we have to explore.container, we have to, its width should be 100%. Okay, it is working fine, so we have to remove this color, and now it is working fine. It is quite responsive. Okay, it is quite responsive and it is working fine. Okay, we had add, and I think the size of this block is too big. I didn't okay, this search block need not to be too big, so let's inspect it. What is it? This is search wrapper, so we need not to search wrapper, its height should be, okay, we have a search input, and then we have search wrapper. We have this, what is this called? Okay, this is search wrapper, and then we have this search input. It has some kind of padding, I think. So where the search input, it is padding, we have to give top padding should be 5 pixel. Now it do not have such too much amount of padding, but still search wrapper is creating a problem. Search wrapper is flex. Okay, flex should be one there. Maximum width, uh, I think there should be padding around 5 pixel. The search box is too big. Due to this, I think due to this search button, I think due to this it is going big. Okay, yes, due to this container it is going big. Okay, search wrapper. Okay, we have navigation.egs, we have search wrapper. In this search wrapper we do have a search button. Okay, its height is too big, it should be 20 and 20. Not now. अच्छा, search button, bro, it is 25 by 25. Now what should we have to do is, its height is to like I don't know. I have to figure out the search wrapper. Font size is quite good. When you see this box, when you see this box, here we have searching this, and the search box is too big. Listen, this is too. It does have max width, it's around 800 pixel. Okay. Have you seen this? When our height is quite okay, we have to find out what is this parameter that is shrinking when I do okay around 1200. So there will be media queries 1200. Okay, so padding is 28 pixel. Card containers, this is for card containers. Grid template column, okay, I got it. Search container, its height, fit content. Now it is working fine, fit and fine. I have done this. Okay, it is working fit and fine. Now you can see the search block. Okay, now inspect, and we are going for some iPhones. It is working. We have search blocks, and here when I'm going to click it, okay, technology, programming, web development. Okay, now it is not clickable. It is not clickable. It, what does it means? It is not, when it is not clickable. mm. Okay, JavaScript is not working. Okay, here JavaScript is perfectly working, but when we go to explore, its JavaScript is not working. Let us see what's going on in not app.js when we are going for navigation.js. So navigation.js, mm, mm, get element by id, navigation bar, menu, and we have this hide item. I think at the home page, we have to see the home.ejs, that is view, include footer and scripts. Okay, and we have head and just head. Okay, and when I'm talking about this explore.js, I have JavaScript exclusively. I have this JavaScript. I have to remove this from here and go for scripts and just paste it here. And when I'm going to explore things, it is not working. I don't know why it is not working. Let me check some things. Partial head, I have controlled the head, I have added the footer, I have the same classes. And when we go for JS, explore.js, home.js, navigation.js, when I'm working for explore.ejs, it should work. Okay, let us see what's the problem, what could be the problem here. When we are going to JavaScript, public JS, and navigation.js, it should work. Navigation dot event listener, click. hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. It is working perfectly fine here. When I'm going to click this, it is not working. When I'm going to click this profile button, it is not working. Why so? Console dot log, I am executing. Go for inspect, go for console, and add event. Uncaught, cannot read the properties of null. Add event listener. I am executing, I'm executing, I'm executing, I'm executing. It is executing. Because here it is because mm, mm, okay, it is executing. Okay, can you read the properties of reading class test? Okay, I got it. What the error? It is executing fine, but when we are going for navigation.js is not working there. I need to like so what could be the solution for this? Like in navigation I also include that in all pages, but if some pages, if some content is not there for a particular page, then navigation.js not working fine for other pages. How to resolve this? I got understand. Function is running, but whenever add event listener click navigation.toggle, it is not present there. As it is not present there, then what we can do? Navigation bar toggle, okay, it is this. So when we go for navigation.ejs, here it have navigation bar toggle. That's it. Navigation bar toggle. Command X, command V, I will handle this later, but for now I have to handle this. It is not working profile, and here it is working because it also have this kind of things. But when I go for explore things, then it is not working because due to something I have to mark the flow. hmm I have to use this kind of statement. Okay. If nav, come on that navigation toggle or navigation bar. So navigation data here, we have navigation bar and navigation toggle. Navigation bar, but it does not have toggle. So when we are going for negative edges, we have navigation bar, but we did not have navigation toggle. So if nav toggle is present, then only do this stuff. Okay, so our hide menu, it is a function that will so oh no 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 if drop down items is there, then only do this, otherwise don't do this. Okay, toggle items, it is a function, so we need not to do this toggle item. Cannot read the properties class list. Hide search and account. Navigation account icon. Hmm. show menu. Toggle item. Show hide menu. Class list or toggle. Navigation menu. If nav toggle. Can you read the property of null? Add event listener. Okay, we will do the remaining tasks tomorrow. And now is the